Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So today I am at Family Dollar. I'm going to be doing some coupon matchups and showing you guys just some deals that you can take advantage of either throughout the week, or if you want to wait till Saturday and throw it into a 5 out of 25. We did receive a 5 off of 25, but it is valid only Saturday, so you would have to wait till Saturday to get the additional $5. In the meantime, if you're not already subscribing, please consider being a subscriber, as well as hitting the notification bell down below and giving this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's just get into this video and show y'all some deals that you'll want to take advantage of. So I want to kick this video off with a glitch. So we did receive new Gain digital coupons, and usually there is a $2 coupon that will glitch on these dryer sheets, the 34 count, making them free. So of course I had to check it out, so I scanned it, and you guys guessed it, it's working. So you could pick up one of these 34 count dryer sheets for completely free. This is good. This is a good deal to do any day of the week, as well as in your 5 out of 25, because this will lower your out of pocket. Anytime you get freebies, it's always good to throw them into your 5 out of 25. So just wanted to show y'all that you can get these for free. So there are a lot of laundry deals happening this week at Family Dollar, so I'm gonna go over them, let you guys know what's what, and that way you can choose just what deal you want to do. The next deal I'm pretty excited about is for the Snuggle. So this week, the Snuggle fabric softener, the scent boosters, the sheets, as well as the all detergent, the liquid, and the pods. They're on sale this week for $3.95, and we do have a $2 coupon, which will make them just $1.95. Now that deal alone is a really good deal, but what makes it even better, you can use that coupon up to 2 times in one transaction. Meaning if I pick up 2 of these, that $2 coupon is going to attach both times, making each one of them $1.95. So if you want 2, or if you want 1 and 1, or 1 and 1, whatever, you can pick up 2 items, Snuggle and all, and just pay $1.95 for both. This week, the Downy fabric softener is on sale for $4.50, and we do have a $1 digital, dropping it down to $3.50. So if you like this, or this is what you like, there's always an option. And then of course you can wait and throw it into your 5 off of 25. Another laundry deal, Gain, is the Gain fabric softener, the sheets, as well as the fireworks right here. They're on sale this week for $3.95, and we have a $1 digital, dropping them down to $2.95. So you can pick up whichever one you want, use that digital coupon, and pay just $2.95. So the Tide Pods is regular price at $4.95. We do have a $2 digital, dropping it down to $2.95. And then the Tide Liquid is regular price at $5.50. We do have a $2 digital for that as well, dropping it down to just $3.50. So the Arm & Hammer, the liquid detergent, which is the 43.75 ounce, I think, through 50 ounce, they're on sale this week for $2.95, and we do have a $1 digital, dropping it down to just $1.95. So the Febreze plugs, my store is out. The regular price at $3.25. Now there is a $2 digital coupon. Now if you did not use that coupon last week, you can use that coupon this week, and you'll just pay $1.25 for one. Like I said, my store is out, so I can't show you. This week, the Febreze small spaces, I'm not sure if these are in the right spot. No, they're not. But this week, the Febreze small spaces are on sale, 2 for $5. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that will apply, making these just $2 or $1 each. Now again, this is an old digital as well. I think we got it last week, but if you did not use it, this is a perfect time to use it, because it'll be cheaper than getting them when they're $3 and then you're using a buy one get one, $1 cheaper. So it looks like my store is out, but the Cotton Nail, the 12 pack, priced at $5 regular price, and there is a $1 digital. So if you need toilet paper, you can pick that up. There is a 50-cent coupon for Scott. Not as high value for the $5 pack, but it does attach to these $6 rolls. There's no tag. There's no tag on these $6 rolls. So I'm dropping stuff. So I don't know exactly how much they are. You can always go up to the front and price check just to see how much they are. But that 50-cent coupon does attach to this. So if you don't need as many, I mean, it's half of the count of the $5 roll. So it's probably gonna be about $3 to be completely honest. But yeah, 50-cent coupon, and you can use that if you need to pick up some toilet paper. So the last deal I'm gonna show y'all today is gonna be on the Pampers wipes. They are regular price at $2. This is the 56 count wipes. So picking up 2 of them will total out to $4. I do have an exclusive 2 off of 2 coupon, which is like a buy one get one free. So I'll be picking up 2 of them for just $2 or $1 each, which is not bad. Check your accounts, because sometimes Family Dollar does give out exclusive coupons, which means not everyone will get the same coupon, but it doesn't hurt to see what you have. But yeah, you guys, that's all I have as far as deals. I'll give y'all a recap and show y'all an overview of all the deals we went over today, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so here's an overview of some deals that you can take advantage of this week. Some coupon matchups at Family Dollar, a lot of laundry deal, a lot of household items to take advantage of. Just look and see what coupons you have, and yeah, hopefully you can find something to get this week. If not, waiting to Saturday, I was about to say Friday, waiting to Saturday would be pretty awesome, y'all. So that's all I have in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you're gonna go to Family Dollar this week. If you are, what deals you're gonna take advantage of. I love to see and hear what you guys have planned for the week. Thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I will see you in the next one. Also, y'all, I did upload my Walgreens haul for this week. Go check it out, see some deals that you can take advantage of at Walgreens as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye.